Most people think Walmart free delivery means everything shows up at your door instantly and completely free all the time. Then they get confused when some orders still show fees. Here's the truth no one tells you. Walmart free delivery is real, but it only works under specific conditions, and once you understand them, you can actually use it the right way without surprises. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Walmart free delivery works in 2026 step by step, so you can avoid fees and get the most value from your membership. Let's start simple. Walmart free delivery is a benefit inside the Walmart app that allows eligible members to get groceries and household items delivered without paying delivery fees on qualifying orders. Now here's where it gets interesting. The key word here is qualifying. Not every item or order automatically includes free delivery. So let's break it down clearly. First, you need an active Walmart membership. Once you are logged in through the Walmart app, your account automatically unlocks delivery benefits if you are eligible. Now here's the first big rule. Free delivery usually applies to orders that meet a minimum purchase requirement. If your cart is too small, you may still see a fee option, or be encouraged to add more items. But here's the problem most people run into. They assume every checkout screen will show zero delivery fees, even when their order does not meet the conditions. Now let's go step by step through how it actually works. You open the Walmart app. You choose your items like groceries, home essentials, or everyday products. When you go to checkout, the system automatically checks your Walmart status and applies free delivery if your order qualifies. Now, imagine someone like Alex. He orders groceries every week. When he builds a full cart, his delivery fee disappears automatically. But when he orders just one small item, he might still see a fee or pickup option instead. Now here's where it gets even more useful. Walmart also offers different delivery speeds depending on your location. In some areas, you can get same-day or next-day delivery at no extra charge, while in others it may take longer but still remain free. Another important detail is item eligibility. Not every product is available for delivery. Some items are pickup only due to store availability or logistics rules. So the system is always adjusting based on your cart, your location, and your membership status. Let's simplify everything so far. Walmart free delivery works when you have an active membership, your order meets eligibility rules, and the items are available for delivery in your area. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They think Walmart removes all delivery fees in every situation, but they don't realize it only applies under specific conditions. That misunderstanding leads to confusion at checkout. So the smart way to use it is simple. Always build a full order, check item eligibility, and confirm delivery options before assuming a fee will be removed. Once you understand how it works, you can consistently use Walmart to save money on delivery costs without guessing. So here is the final takeaway. Walmart free delivery is powerful, but it is conditional. When used correctly inside the Walmart app, it can save you real money on everyday shopping. If this helped you understand how Walmart free delivery works, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.